what is a simple sentence? So a simple sentence is a sentence where we find one finite verb. Okay, for example, I do a work. In the sentence, do is a finite verb. Okay, so uh, there we do not find any conjunction to join or to make the sentence longer by joining another principal clause. Okay, and here we find only one finite verb. So there may be helping verb. For example, he is writing a letter. In the sentence, he is subject, is auxiliary verb, writing is the main verb. Okay, write is the main verb with the write at ing, and a letter is object. Okay, so here although there are two verbs, but there is only one principal verb. Okay, so this is the example of simple sentence. Thank you very much.